Hey everybody, Kim Blevins with the Star News. I'm heading back through downtown, fixing to jump back over the bridge right now. And yes, it is raining again in Wilmington. Roads are a little flooded. There's a couple of areas you need to keep an eye out for. Everybody stay safe today. Kind of slow down while you're driving. This rain's going to be with us throughout the weekend yet again. And with that, we are approaching 100 inches of rain this season for our area, which is crazy. But nonetheless, everybody stay safe out there. We're going to be going through this rain again throughout the weekend, like I said, and it'll be over probably, hopefully, Sunday afternoon. Talk to you soon. Bye.